Really well done today. Let's start to pack away. See you next time. Okay, now Katie, this piece of work that you've done here is really impressive. So keep it up. Well done.
Thank you.
The spirit of always getting better. The spirit of starting a very important journey. The spirit of teamwork and ingenuity. The spirit of community and family. The spirit of safety in a home away from home. The spirit of competition and loyalty. The spirit of passion and creativity. The spirit of achievement when it matters. This is the spirit of Sedbergh.